Hi vlog! Nandito kami sa Tagalag, sa Alvarez Cafe. So mamaya ay magpo-propose na ang aking BFF na si Jonas kay Lorilyn. So inaantay namin. Kaway ka, kaway! Kaway! Ayan. Grabe naman. Ayan. So ayan. So mamaya may pa-fireworks dun. Doon. May pa-fireworks. Somewhere dyan. Tapos, ayan. Nandito kami sa taas, second floor. So, ang area ng proposal is, ayun, no? Sa part na yun. Ayan. Tapos, ang ating go-propose, ayun. Nakamasid na po. Yun. Yun na nga. At yes! Congrats, Jonas and Lorilyn!
Hanapin mo. Sis, okay lang, picture ka daw ni Miko saglit lang. Para masama niya sa ano, sa feature niya. Yaan mo lang sa ate. Adon daw.
Yung ano, kasama niya. Sige. Mamaya, sabi ko lang.
May?
Dito pala siya.
Ah.
Bro, dito pala. Kanina pa kami naghahanap na pwedeng mag-ano dito.
Mag-model.
Model. Picture lang kita. Okay lang.
Naka-duty kasi si Miko eh. Sinamahan ko lang eh. Ah, okay na.
Wait. Teka.
Harap ka dun, oh.
Kay Jonas eh.
Tingin ka dun, sis. Yan. Yan.
Saan ka pa galing yan? Masok ka ba?
Tingin ka sa baba. Yan.
Okay. Teka. Kita ko sa dito.
Ay, hindi yan.
Okay, ready? Tama-tama, nandito si Lori.
Okay.
Okay. Ay, sorry po.
Ah, sige po.
Nagpunta na kayo dito? Sayaw pa yung song.
Ano ang usapan niyo? Ha? Ano usapan niyo? Sige, baka nandun na.
Saan?
Hindi nag-aantay mala sa'yo.
Oh yeah. 105 is the number that comes to my head when I think of all the years I wanna be with you. Wake up every morning with you in my bed. That's precisely what I plan to do. And you know one of these days when I get my money right, buy you everything and show you all the finer things in life. We'll forever be in love, so there ain't no need to rush. But one day I won't be able to ask you loud enough. I'll say, will you marry me? I swear that I will mean it. I say, will you marry me? Sing it. Oh yeah. How many girls in the world can make me feel like this? Baby, I don't never plan to find out. The more I look, the more I find the reasons why. You're the love of my life. You know one of these days when I get my money right, buy you everything and show you all the finer things in life. We'll forever be in love, so there ain't no need to rush. But one day I won't be able to ask you loud enough. I'll say, will you marry me?
Congrats. Congrats, sis. So happy for you.
Sabi ko, ulo, kaya pala sabi nila, mama, di ba anniversary niyo ngayon? Sabi ko, oo ma. Sabi niya, pinag-kuyayain ka na ni Jonas magpakasal.